Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect to GMC Terrain Bluetooth. Start with the vehicle in park and the ignition on. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the Terrain's Infotainment pairing menu. Choose Bluetooth, select Pair New Device, then confirm the PIN shown on both screens. If prompted, allow contacts and messages access to enable hands-free calling and text notifications. I'll walk you through any common pairing issues. Now we'll pair your phone step by step in a friendly way. With Bluetooth on, tap Pair New Device on the Terrain screen and watch for your phone to list the vehicle. Tap the vehicle name on your phone and confirm the numeric PIN displayed on both devices. Approve any permission requests for contacts and messages to enable hands-free dialing. If pairing fails, try restarting your phone and repeating these exact steps. Quick recommendation before we continue. On another note, if you value durability, try Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for long drives and comfort during road trips. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical tips. I'll link the recommended product and other deals in the description so you can check them out easily. And now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, stay calm and try simple fixes that usually work. Restart your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system to clear temporary glitches. Remove old paired devices from both the phone and the Terrain, then attempt pairing again. Check for software updates on your phone and vehicle, since updates often resolve Bluetooth bugs. If problems persist, try pairing another phone to isolate the issue and reach out to support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.